And we're back, and this time I'm going to show you how to create this gradient circle effect in Adobe Illustrator. Let us start on the view with the smart guides and snap to point. I've got a black stroke color and no fill color. Now I'll use the ellipse tool and I'll shift to create a circle. You can see the stroke weight is 30 and I want to keep that. You can change it up here. Make sure it's selected, press Ctrl C and Ctrl F, and you've got a copy placed in the front. Then hold Shift and resize it to the left. Repeat the process, but this time hold Shift and size it up to the right. So we've got these three circles that are correctly positioned on top of each other, but they've got a different size. Open your gradient menu, make sure that stroke is in the forefront, and then add the default black and white. And we'll give it a green and a turquoise color, the basic color swatches. I'll adjust the gradient just like this and make it a little bit more greenish. I want to have the first function, so apply a gradient within stroke selected. And maybe I'll play around with the angle. Let me check that. I can also change the location up here to play around with the gradient between the two colors. I'm not yet satisfied with the angle, so let me change that. Maybe 45 is better. Let me try 45. And that looks way better. And this is how you can create this gradient circle logo design effect in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.